Hi guys, today I'll show you how to add products from Zendrop to Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, log into Shopify using your user credentials and you'll be on the Shopify's dashboard. On this dashboard, click on this apps button here. You'll see a search bar appearing at the top. In this, search for Zendrop. Now, select Zendrop and this is going to take you to this Shopify App Store where you will be able to see the pricing, highlights, rating and all the information related to this application on this page. So you can read all these descriptions or you can skip it by clicking on the install button. So click on install and this is going to open another page, that is your Shopify's home page. On your home page, you will see an install button appearing. Click on this install button to install Zendrop application. After this, you'll be automatically promoted to your Zendrop application if you would have logged in. If you don't have a Zendrop account, you will have to create a Zendrop account. After creating an account, you'll be automatically on your dashboard. You will see your store at the top left on this page. Now, in order to add any product from Zendrop to Shopify, you'll have to navigate to My Products section. And if you don't have any products, click on Find Products, search for a product that you want to import. For example, I will import this product. So I'll click Add to My Products on this page. Now I will navigate to My Products. As you can see, I just added this product and it's appearing here. I will have to now click on Review and Publish. After I click this, I'll be able to enter another name for this product. I can edit it. I can add a new tag for my product. I can add what kind of product it is. I can edit the collection for this product on this page. Now I can navigate to descriptions and I can add a new description, and if you're satisfied with it, simply navigate to variants. Now you can choose the size, color, product cost, shipping, sales price and profit for these products. So I have 10, 12, 14 and all these inches for these products. I will have a single color and the product cost will be this. So you'll be able to review all these informations, and if you don't want any variant, simply uncheck this box and navigate to images. So I have these two images for my product. Now after reviewing this, I will have to click on Publish to my store button that is in green, and I will select Got it, please don't display this message again, and click on Confirm. After you click on Confirm, your product will be successfully published onto your Shopify store. Now click on this linked button and this is going to open up your Shopify's product page where you can edit this product's title, description and all these things. And as you can see, I added this product from Zendrop to Shopify in no time. You can navigate to your online store and you'll be able to see that the product you added is listed onto your store. So that's the simple way you can add products from Zendrop to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.